Delivery giant Zomato is facing ire on social media after one of its customers in Tamil Nadu was asked to learn Hindi. The customer has alleged that a food delivery executive working for the company during a chat asked him to learn Hindi as it's the national language. The aggrieved customer shared the screenshots of the conversation on his Twitter handle, reigniting a debate on the language. While Reject Zomato is trending on Twitter, the food delivery app has issued a clarification stating that they have terminated the employee and that the customer care agent's statement does not represent the company's policy. Ruling DMK was quick to call out Zomato for its language policy. Party MP Kanimuri tweeted that it should be made mandatory for companies to serve their customers in their local language. All right, for more on this, I'm joined by my colleague Mugilan on the broadcast. Mugilan, thank you for joining us. The latest we understand is that Zomato has terminated the employee for asking a Tamil customer that Hindi is also a language that everybody should know in bits. What more can you share us as far as this controversy is concerned?
The conversation between a Zomato customer and its customer care agent have triggered a Twitter storm since yesterday. Customer yesterday, he have made an order through Zomato and he was in chat with the customer care agent as he was seeking a refund for the food item which he has ordered. And during the conversation, the customer have categorically said that there is a language barrier. For that, the particular customer care agent have informed the customer that he should learn Hindi, and Hindi is a national language and it is common for everyone to understand or to learn little bit of Hindi. And the customer took screenshot of this entire chat and he posted it on social media, and following that there were several people flagging of this issue. They were criticizing the Zomato for the act of the customer care agent, and this in no time went viral also. And following that, DMK MP Senthil Kumar first noted this issue and he demanded an apology from the Zomato. And following that, today DMK MP Kanimuri also have tweeted stating that some companies operate with only select language, and she also demanded that the companies should render service to the customers in the regional language itself. And following that, Reject Zomato hashtag also was trending on social media, and following that now we are seeing Zomato have issued a statement and they have clarified that whatever the customer care agent have said to a customer is not in line with their company's policy. And they have also added that they are creating a new Tamil Zomato app and they are setting up a customer care center in Coimbatore specifically to cater the needs of customers from Tamil Nadu. So now this issue, this controversy comes to an end after Zomato clarifying that it does not reflect their policy, and they have also added that they are terminating that particular customer care agent who said that Hindi is a national language and everyone should know a little bit of Hindi.
All right, thank you Mugilan for getting us those updates and bringing us up to speed with Zomato's action. They have terminated their employee. All right, let's get your stories from across the country.